morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Health Tech track within our 2021 AWS Healthcare and Life Sciences Symposium. I am Guru Shankar, and I am the worldwide lead for medical devices at AWS. I have the pleasure of introducing our AWS Health Tech practice and a few of our customers and partners who are going to be joining us and share with you their cutting edge work. We are going to be joined today by customers and partners, including business leaders, technology leaders, hardware and software solutions providers, and a number of end users leveraging AWS to deliver digitally enhanced healthcare at scale. Given Amazon's customer obsession and customer focus, the presentations are made by our customers for the benefit of other customers. AWS is the trusted technology and innovation partner to the global healthcare industry. AWS accelerates the digitization and utilization of healthcare data by providing the broadest and deepest portfolio of cloud services, including healthcare-specific offerings, combined with unmatched reliability, security, and data privacy, enabling the highly regulated healthcare industry to increase the pace of innovation, unlock the potential of healthcare data, and develop a more personalized approach to care. Our unmatched scale and computing power, deep expertise in healthcare, and our portfolio of purpose-built services has established AWS as a trusted technology partner to the global healthcare industry. AWS provides the security, compliance, and data privacy that healthcare organizations can trust. AWS accelerates innovation throughout the global healthcare industry by offering the broadest and deepest portfolio of cloud-based services to the industry. AWS enables healthcare organizations to unlock the value of data with purpose-built machine learning capabilities. AWS provides the broadest and deepest set of HIPAA-eligible data lakes, analytics, AI, machine learning services that help customers improve clinical and operational efficiency, develop personalized treatments, and predict healthcare events, accelerating the move towards proactive personalized medicine. Customer obsession remains the focus of how we work with organizations across the spectrum of care, from healthcare providers focused at the point of care to healthcare ministries that create healthcare policies that impact populations, to healthcare payers that finance or reimburse the cost of care, to healthcare IT and medical device vendors that provide application-specific solutions throughout the healthcare industry. AWS provides the foundational technology to drive security, compliance, agility, and innovation. Our focus on technology solutions allows the entire healthcare industry to worry less about the undifferentiated value of commodity IT and focus more on what matters most, the patients. Here are the list of customers that are currently working with AWS, a small subset of the list. Equally, Amazon was named as the most innovative or potentially disruptive in healthcare, with customers and partners working together to truly drive transformation across healthcare. As we look across the journey to digitally enhanced healthcare, we group the transformation into three categories: IT cloud transformation, predicting healthcare relevant events, and personalizing the healthcare experiences. You will see that our customer presentations touch upon all of these three areas. Our featured partner for the health tech track is GE Healthcare. GE Healthcare and AWS are collaborating to deliver solutions for more efficiently for our clinicians. By leveraging cloud computing and AI ML from AWS, GE Healthcare Solutions can help enable greater operational efficiencies and better clinical insights. Furthermore, the two companies are working together to provide services for third-party developers to build innovative healthcare applications for the future, such as Imaging Protocol Manager, hosted on AWS, can help providers effortlessly deliver the right exam for each patient every time, or Edison Developer Program, which leverages SageMaker to provide a simplified, scalable infrastructure to run model development in a traceable way for clinical products, or Critical Care Suite, GE Healthcare's first collection of AI algorithms for prioritizing images with critical finding. Additionally, GE Healthcare and AWS built a developer sandbox providing accessibility of the Edison platform to third-party developers globally and at scale. As COVID infections rose in the spring of 2020, health systems and plans hurried to educate their patients around the new disease and share guidelines on staying safe. As we enter a new year, the healthcare community is focused on containing hospital admissions and administering vaccinations. Arcadia's customers have leveraged extensive datasets and complex algorithms to stratify patient populations based on risk of COVID complications, activate patients who have delayed preventive care, and bring in patients eligible for vaccinations. And Arcadia has developed new products to support patient engagement efforts. Anna Baswich, VP of Customer Success from Arcadia, will discuss how they used AWS to aggregate comprehensive data sets and Amazon Simple Queue service to conduct large-scale outreach. The next talk is by Anne-Liu Ferrara, VP Business and GXP Systems, Becton Dickinson, who is transforming medical affairs through machine learning at Becton Dickinson, all with an eye on their audacious goal of providing real-time medical device adverse event monitoring. Anne will talk about how she and her team ingested large volumes of repositories, ran machine language and analysis for making their predictions. Furthermore, they consider cloud services as crucial for deployment of operationalized machine learning at scale and speed. Dr. Yashid Shen, Senior Director Imaging Operations at GE Healthcare, will talk about remote management of protocols. She will give an introduction to remote multimodality medical imaging protocol management, providing access, insight, and governance for imaging device protocols and helping clinicians effortlessly deliver the right exam for each patient every time. Anne O'Hanlon, Product Director from Orion Health, will talk about their efforts at delivering better healthcare experience, consumer experience with AWS cloud technologies. Anne will talk about the challenges to healthcare in terms of managing IT systems and ensuring the systems can adapt and respond quickly to consumers' expectations and demand, and allowing for innovation and scalability at pace, all the while ensuring the protection of precious patient data and in a way that doesn't cripple already constrained healthcare budgets. Ahmed Benjamin, GM Radiology and AI Informatics Philips, will share his team's experience in delivering imaging AI at scale. He discusses how AWS's machine learning and computer vision technologies, combined with Philips' workflow engines, can help accelerate adoption and quality of these tools. Coleman Stavish, Chief Technology Officer of Prussia, will talk about how the US government's Joint Pathology Center, JPC, has partnered with AWS and Prussia, developers of leading digital pathology platform, to develop the world's largest repository of human pathology specimens, 55 million images. towards the advancement of disease diagnosis and treatment. With a dataset this large, the scalability and security offered by AWS is critical to ensure the success of the project. This project is indicative of the larger shift towards the digitization of the practice of pathology and a more data-driven approach to medicine. In addition to our business tracks, our Healthcare and Life Sciences Symposium also features the technical tracks with the presentation from the 4 customers. Healthcare data remains fragmented and siloed, while the need for seamless exchange of information between counterparties remain paramount for clinical trial research, vaccine development, and real-world evidence generation. The de-identification of patients for privacy preservation, along with other data governance regulations, is a first step, but that does not address the higher standard of HIPAA in pursuit of de-siloing of this data. John Capillo, Chief Technology Officer of HealthVerity, discusses how they have built the industry's most accurate and first real-time patient identity resolution technology on AWS to deliver a privacy-compliant, high-governance patient data as a service in a cost-efficient, scalable, and performant way. In the next session, Mike Sutton, Chief Technology Officer of Innovacare, highlights how an Innovacare customer created a world-class community health-based 360 client picture with care management to address the care and social needs of its Medicaid population of over 2,000 patients. Driven by its focus on health equity, the organization adopted a data-driven approach to streamline care delivery to its region's patients' populations. Pranay Vallajolam, Director of Software Engineering of MedHost, shares with us how MedHost, a longtime partner in providing patient care through cloud solutions, is expanding access to care and innovation to rural America by migrating entire EHR to AWS. He discusses how MedHost is innovating along with AWS in the areas of telehealth, analytics, machine learning, natural language processing, FHIR standardization, and migration. Many healthcare providers could not ensure business continuity during the pandemic for critically ill patients without COVID. Only those institutions that showed clinical agility were able to shift immediately from an on-site to a virtual care delivery model. Dr. Okan Adhikari, Chief Medical Officer from Roche, shares how cloud-based medical decision support solutions enabled business continuity for personalized healthcare in oncology during the pandemic and helps team get prepared for the long run. All these customer examples that you see earlier and every healthcare digital engagement is built on one of the founding principles of security, which is Job Zero here at AWS. With over 50 global compliance certifications, including HIPAA and HITRUST, and a security infrastructure that is built to satisfy healthcare, finance, and other highly sensitive organizations, AWS is the secure, trusted technology partner for health tech customers. With that, over to the individual sessions and the presentation from the various speakers. Thanks for joining us now and have a great rest of the time at our AWS 2021 Healthcare and Life Sciences Symposium. Thank you.